Hannah with WTI.
I love all things flowers, and these throw pillow covers by WOMHOPE are no exception to that. Look how beautiful they are. So I love that you get two of the big flowers and two of the multi-flowered ones, but they're each a little bit different. One of them even has that tiny blue butterfly and the other one has an orange one. They're just very pretty. I love that they have so many colors in them because they can match so many different colors in decor. They were very easy to put a pillow into. They are 18 by 18 inches, which is what the pillow inserts were, and they fit just fine. If you wanted them extra fluffy, you could get a 20 by 20 and probably fit it in there, but these work just fine for me. The hidden zipper is really hidden, so you only see the little zipper part. The back of it's a little bit of a lighter color, but it's not white. It's an off-white color. But look at this pretty texture and these colors. Poppies are one of my favorite flowers, and to see them on our couch every day really puts a smile on my face. So if you are looking for some beautiful throw pillow covers for your house, these are a perfect choice.
And that's my point of view.